Item number 3 is to consider approving the 2026 projected annual maintenance payments for software and hardware utilized by Mesa County in the estimated aggregate amount of $2,512,378.82 and authorized payment of the actual invoices in 2026 from Mesa County's IT's appropriated general and capital fund budgets pending the 2026 budget adoption. Lana, good morning.
Good morning, Commissioners. Lana Jordan, IT Director. So this is the majority of our 2026 maintenance contracts. There's 16 total. 11 of these are software and or hardware that's utilized across the county. The remaining 5 contracts are our bigger departments. It's the Sheriff's Office, Community Development, the Assessors, Clerk and Recorder, and our Criminal Justice Services Department.
Subject to appropriations this
Correct.
December, yeah. Any questions, comments?
I don't have any.
Thanks for always diligently looking out for our entire county and departments. This is the infrastructure that we provide for our residents. This is the services we provide. And the software to do so is extremely expensive. But these annual contracts, we want to make sure that we're doing our due diligence and renegotiating when we can in these terms. We appreciate you being innovative and really supporting our county departments in a meaningful way.
Thanks.
Thank you, Lana. Any questions or comments on this item this morning from the public? See none, bring it back to the board. Go
I
ahead.
do have one question.
Yeah.
I was just looking at it, the appropriation, you have general and capital. What's the breakdown on the side for capital general?
The only one that goes to capital is Dominion,
Okay,
and that was negotiated years ago.
okay, thank you.
Okay, seeing no further questions, I'll entertain a motion to approve this item as entered into the record.
So move.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Motion carries 3-0. Thank you, Lana.